On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by watching ads. Too good to be true, right? Now look at this. I decided to test run it to make sure that it works before making this video for you. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can achieve same results by watching ads using your mobile phone. I strongly believe that there is enough money out there to be made. So you can do this as a side hustle, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or someone who is looking for a side income to supplement your current 9-to-5 paycheck. So ensure that you watch this video to the very end because I'll be revealing how you can make money very fast on this app. And this can be done from any part across the globe so long as you have your mobile phone or your computer and then an internet connection. Now, if you're just coming across my channel, my name is Chidi and I welcome you to the Wealthy Mindset with Chidi. On this channel, all I share is information on how to make money on the online space. So I would love you to like this video and also join the Wealthy Mindset family by subscribing to this channel so you can always get content from this channel and then bring you anything that can possibly make you money legitimately. So let's dive right into the video. Now, to make money on this app is completely free and you can do this from any country that you reside across the globe. Now, there are many ways to earn on this app, but our focus on this video is on watching ads because it pays more. And I repeat, watch this video to the end to see the tricks to how you can make money on this app and how to automate your work so you can earn money from other people watching this ads. So the name of the app is called Paid Work. You will need to download it using your Android or your iOS. So to sign up on this app, all you need is your name, your email address, and then you create a password. So an email will be sent to you just like this one here. And then you go ahead to verify this email by clicking on verify. When you're done with all of that, you are registered already to start making money on this app. Now that you have registered, click on menu and then you click on earn so that you can start watching videos and making money. The videos that you'll be watching here are 30 seconds ads. And they are advertising different products like game and some are related to software products. So remember, you do not need to download anything. You don't need to download anything at all. Just watch. So now this ads, you will have to watch it for 30 seconds because if you watch it for less, you will make less points and then make less money. And whenever you are done watching 30 seconds video, you will earn between 2 to 9 points. So at the end of watching each video, you then click on start to start all over to watching another video. So now the question is, how much money can you make from watching these ads? Assuming you are at home doing nothing and you are able to watch these ads for 8 hours a day. For 8 hours, you can watch 120 30 seconds video. So if you watch a 30 seconds video for 8 hours, that's 960 videos in one day. And if you earn 1 cent for each video, that's $9.60 per day. And if you do this for a whole month, that's $211.20 for a month. So you can see that you have to devote your time for you to earn money here. But then there is another secret or tricks to making money on this app, which I'm going to show you now. But before I do that, if you've watched this video this far, I want you to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done so we can continue to put up content as regarding making money online. Another way you can earn money on this website is by using your referral link. So hold on, I'm going to teach you a simple trick, a simple way by which you can do this without bothering yourself that much. So all you have to do is to simply copy your referral link and then you head over to Facebook. And when you get to Facebook, you go to the search bar and type make money online. Once you type make money online, so many groups will pop up. So you select groups and join. So make sure that those groups that you're going to join has a lot of numbers and have good engagements, likes and comments, okay? So that when you post something, people will comment and then like that post that you made. Then you want to go ahead and create a post. You type something like this: I recently discovered a brand new app that lets you earn money just by watching ads. Type info if you want me to send you details. So remember that this is just an example. You can say something more interesting. This strategy is very powerful. Do not take it for granted. So once they start commenting on your post, you now send them your referral link in private. Because when you send your link in that group, it's just like spamming the group. The admin might ban you from that group. So you're going to send that link in private. That way, it will get you more people to join from your link and it will make you more money. That's how to bring people using your referral link in a tricky way instead of spamming your link in the group. This is the easy way to get referrals. And make sure that you answer all of their questions when they chat you up as regarding how to use this app. And another great method that will get you referrals is coral.com. People come there to ask different questions, and this is perfect for what we are doing. When you get to coral.com, you still go over to the search bar and type make money online, and different questions, many questions will pop up of people asking how to make money online. So what you're going to do is you go ahead and answer their questions. Make sure you answer their questions before including your link. The good thing about coral.com is that your answer will even show up on Google search and it will remain there forever. Just remember that the more questions you answer, the more chances you have to making more money. Make sure you do this as many times as possible. All this method I show you in this video are completely free. You don't need to pay a dime. So guys, I hope you got value from this video. So if you found it interesting, go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. So until my next video, it's bye.